is Celso Ramirez, is an expression of the activity, bueno, practice motor vehicle is, bueno, VH, the end is an activity and practice motor control. When it's play the code and activity, paint, which is a digital motor controller using the same logic. And this code controller is typed motor bien uses sticky signal and its calling instead sequence T main parts and call arts. We send this code a motor control creates. Is a control input output is and the and the clears fighting force and the fighting micro clock input and the is rest clean and rest a rest signal to initial the system and is and the direction clean input is and there is direction control on the size and if the motor spin forwards on the back back backward 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 and there is analyzation and the motor is and the direction control input is and the 5 bytes output vectors to device to motor coins. Mm. And the click is and at the click motor as a shoulder clean input used to control the terminal of the motor state. The cloud divider since the input the cloud is under the first very first the code using cloud device the bear process to create and show clock. Being in the clock the clock cycles we and the 26 byte 26 byte counter is load cloud determined also fast to motor state. And the standing machines, the motor controller kit is implemented as the needed state machines with the head state 0 to 7 each state corresponds to a specific motor calling partner percentage B and the 4 bits. In direction control and depending on the values of the state machines advance forward on the black wars through the state. If deer is 0 to state programming or 0, 1, 2, 7, 0, moving to motor fall is and there is 1, the state going is a reserved order to sprint the motor black wars. Output and signals is anti-states and the motor input change to a specific and 4 bytes partner the initial motor coins if the machine is going to rotate the stepper motor and the state. Isn't it a degrees under set and the being is and the signal activated to state machines goes back to initial is and the well on ours and the should this which code controls the motors be sequential to in different output parameters and this way achieve next bench is on the code explains and the test bench code. And this code does control modes directly adheres on the simulation verify the behavior of the motor control assigned the properties inside a clock. And TV declaration at this bench and the motor A control VHX range has the input or output because in the only runs simulate internal and the ACE. Architect is inside the architect we declare signals to connect it to motor control component and the playing gear motor set clean edge. The main clubs signal input to a motor control the clean and flight mechanism and their direction control assigns motor 4 bytes input vector representation motor clock state reset and reset signal clean to slow clock input from the motor. Um, and component stage is where stage motor control component is the state bench is I1. We map out the gray signal to component parts so it can receive input and the price outputs during the simulation process. And process is in the process is and the MPT process with a hue and white and a state which and the FRTV and the stop front and the only photo is using and the tuning style. Uh, Otherwise process this process image and the beat toppings and the nano 10 nanoseconds and the create envelope wire as well as on the 10 nanos too high 14. So basically since statement code has two statement module and cloud could be an iteration 5 is to see and the tools and then mail the viewers and the rivals. Yes, is motor control and the basic instance bench code and the clone the connecting the audio you need to simulate the motor control behaves. Essentially the king. Uh, This is the practice where you are the working with and the step and the motor control system implement in the vehicle goals in the designers. There's some digital control can drive to colonies in the correct sequences to the motor rather than the hands forward. Is this the practice?